5 little frogs sitting by the shore. Ribbit, ribbit! Then there were 4. Splash went 1 into sparkling sea. Now 4 little frogs smiling happily. Hop, hop, hop along, sing a happy froggy song. Ribbit, ribbit, loud and strong, come and hop and sing along. 4 little frogs on a lily so green, jumping up and down in a happy scene. 1 hopped away with a giggly glee. Now 3 little frogs by the tree. Hop, hop, hop along, sing a happy froggy song. Ribbit, ribbit, loud and strong, come and hop and sing along. 3 little frogs catching flies so blue. 1 jumped high and away he flew. Splash in the pond with a joyful woo. Now 2 little frogs saying, how do you do? 2 little frogs under the bright sunshine, croaking together, everything's fine. 1 skipped off to have some fun. Now there's only 1. 1 little frog with a great big grin jumped in the pond with a happy spin. Then all 5 friends came back to play, ribbiting, laughing the rest of the day.